holistic mental health therapist, and the concept is about holding space for feelings, mental health awareness campaign for Ghana. And I would also like us to reimagine how we use historical spaces that were once used for torture, if we can perhaps hold space for joy and even laughter in these types of locations. So really this is a concept space for mental health awareness, for people to come and reimagine how we use these historical spaces. Can we hold this space for joy, laughter? I believe that African joy is a form of activism. I feel we have to prioritize our happiness, our creativity and our joy. We've spent a lot of time in trauma and pain, and I feel we have to really prioritize and be intentional about our creativity and not just healing but thriving. And so it's important that we hold joyful moments as well as remembering trauma, okay? Because we have to continue. I feel nature, you know, it's always the past, the present and the future. And I feel that it's very important for us as humans to keep ourselves aligned with nature for our mental and physical survival. I'm hoping that, like I said, it will create awareness for mental health here in Ghana, help to destigmatize some of the stereotypes that surround conversations on mental health, not just in Ghana, but across the continent. So I'm just hoping that people can come and be vulnerable and we can just have a casual conversation on mental health. The inspiration really is nature. It's a lot to do with getting people surrounding and interacting with nature. And because nature is very healing, it's very therapeutic. And so as a holistic therapist, I believe in the naturopathic ways for our healing as humans. I'm sure that many people are excited for its return. It's an important part of Jamestown and the community, and also just a great platform for artists that wouldn't necessarily get a platform like this to showcase their work. So yeah, it's really nice to have something like this that, like I said, would highlight artists that perhaps would not be seen anywhere else. I feel that it's a great community. Everyone's been so supportive, and it's actually very important for the local economy, for the children. You know, they're so inspired, looking up to the resident artists that take part. So I think it's actually very important, Chale Wote, as an institution for art and culture and community. It's really important. So I feel actually really happy to be a part of it. So I curated the space. It's just an idea that I had, and I worked with a great carpenter called Frank, an artist called Daniel, and an assistant called Kofi, and together collectively we put this together, and it's been such a good experience working with them, and they're all like Jamestown locals. They're like native Garmin, so yeah.